With TDox, we can create a business app customized for you in less than 2 hours. Our technicians will be at your disposal to create the forms and enter the information in the database. You just have to send an email to info@mytdocs.com. Create an account on our platform and fill in your details. Once the registration has been processed, click on the menu on the top left corner and then Forms. Here you can click on the blue icon to check out some examples. Click on Construction, for example, Progress Report, Confirm, and then, in the top right corner, click on Save and Send to App. Are you wondering what to do now? The next step is to download the app on smartphone. Once opened and filled in with your details, you can see there is the same form from the web app, Progress Report. Click on it and start to complete it. If we go back on PC, we will find all the details in the Report section. If you go on Menu on the top left corner and then Reports. Click now on Forms list and then the form you want to see the report of. Choose the filters and click on Confirm to see the reports and download the PDF. If you don't need our help and you want to create the forms on your own, you will always find the YouTube logo on the top right corner, which will take you on our YouTube page where you can find all the tutorials available according to the section you're in.